To Kasee no so na kwando ene yedru ze ma dru time so mu bu o mse na mo ha krokra no se wan kire nkoda wo mu yi ya na ho nsem na wo se de esitie na no na amamre ene amane ho akansie me kire Face of Akpini ba so wo kwando 2022 die no de odi mu nkunim Novi Emmanuela Nochu odi asine no so be ye nchekire se de be ya ma ho krakra posuma wie bia no etimi afa ntema pefra ompotem ho no.
Abra wonom da Save Menstrual Hygiene campaign no adie no na ema ahemafo ene kabiewumufo a wonom ewo bando traditional area ewo from mantamu ene nsem bi tu dwa wo kire mu ne enti ehun hia se ema wahyase ebu wonom nsa no otumi eboa wonom. Novi Emmanuela Nochu Queen of Face of Akpini 2022. No na sa adwumadi esi ne nan so. Na bra woni amane boni ode hyebo wusu job etwetwe nkomo no na ode tu dwa se. Wo hwe animu kwan se kebia wumufo nyina ebetai na chi se ne ebe ya saa campaign a wode esi nani so no obetumi afa so no de aboa emaya a wahyase ebu wono monsa.
Menstrual Hygiene project. It's very dear to me because I'm a teacher. And then I see what the young girls in schools go through. And it's something that I was exposed to at a certain point in my life. I didn't get any kind of education when it started. And then looking at the way the school girls carry themselves when menstruating, I feel pity for them. And I decided to carry it on to a bigger platform. So when I heard of Face of Akpini, I decided to join, and I prayed that I win, and I won. That's why I'm taking up this menstrual hygiene project.
Mama Kojo Ganzi, Mama Ga Owo Gaza traditional area. Woko dwumadi na sibie no ena ode adesrede to aban adwumaku ahodo ensa aban ase ankrankra ne kebe omufo nyina animu sei sabre ya wonom ada sa adwumadi no adie no wonom nyina entai ewra na chi se ne ebe ya butaye esi nani so no obetumi adru hu.
I'm appealing to the government and individuals to help the project or the girl child in communities so that when they are in their menses, they can still be in school. And we have decided to send letters to some of these companies that